Good morning, everyone. This is how I wake up.
If you want to come with me and my friend Daniel on a vegan food tour in Thailand or Bali or both, check out the links in the description box below for more information. Spots are limited, so make sure you book now.
Just thought I'd show you the beauty that is me in the morning. Let me take out the rollers. See what it looks like. So today, guys, I'm going to show you what I'm eating. Yes, everything I'm going to eat as a vegan of almost 9 years. Can you believe it? Wait, 9 years? Every year I am in disbelief. Yeah. So yes, I'm just going to take you along. It'll be very casual, very chill. We're just going to spend the day together. So first thing I do normally, depending on what time I wake up, but today I woke up pretty early because I went to bed early because I was tired. So that's usually my preference, going to bed early and waking up early. It's 6 a.m. I normally don't eat breakfast this early, so I'm just gonna make myself some coffee, as per usual. Although they do say having coffee first thing on an empty stomach is not good for you. What you gonna do? I can't always do things that are good for me. So I just got back from being out of town, so I probably need to go and get some groceries because I don't have any fresh produce, but I'll probably do that after breakfast. Am I out of coffee? No. I'm not out, but I have to grind more. Okay, I guess I'll grind some coffee. Ugh. Coffee is ready. And welcome to my work setup. So this is my second bedroom / office, which I use to record our podcast on that couch. And then I have this table, which again, I normally use to record podcasts and also mukbang. I realized I could use it as a standing desk with my little treadmill. So I just kind of move it this way whenever I want to work on my desk. I've been using this almost every day that I'm working just to get extra steps in. I got some water. I'm still doing the drinking 4 liters of water a day, or attempting to. When I was away, I didn't really do that, but I'm back on it. And of course, my coffee. I'm gonna put on my shoes, start walking, and get some work done on this thing. Breakfast time. I have a lot of potatoes, and I should probably eat them. They were starting to sprout, which really grosses me out. Ooh. Anyways, I have a bunch more, but I'm going to make some air fryer, what do you call it? I'm going to make some air fryer waffle fries. I'll link the recipe down below. It's so easy. I'm using this thing here, and it's actually very, very simple. So I'm going to make that and then a few other things, and that's going to be breakfast. Now, I am going to peel these because it just grosses me out that they were sprouting. So I'm just getting rid of all of that. Ooh. I don't know, I just feel like I need to peel them. Ooh. Got some cilantro, which I've had in the fridge for over a week, but it seems to be fine. So I'm just gonna chop that up. I also have some onion. I don't know how much onion I want to chop. And I have half an avocado left over from yesterday, so I'm just going to scoop that out. And we're gonna make a quick guac. So easy. Mash. And add a little bit of fresh minced garlic and some lemon juice. And I'm also gonna add some black beans in here. It's like a black bean guac. Pepper, salt. And I also have this guac seasoning, which I've never tried. So I'm just adding a bit of that. Mix it. Could also just put this on toast. Yum. Okay, this looks pretty epic. What a breakfast. So we have homemade air fried waffle fries, which look delicious. Again, how I made it, I'll link it down below. And then we have the guac with black beans. I'm just gonna like eat it together. This is not a typical breakfast I would have, but I'm very excited for this. It's pretty affordable. If you didn't have the avocado, I was actually gonna just make like a black bean salad with just black beans, like onion, maybe some corn, lemon juice, and stuff like that, and eat it with potatoes. So that's another thing you could do if like avocados cost $1 million, which they do, but there you go. Oh my God, that looks so good. And then on the side, I also have some salsa in case I wanna have it with some salsa and some ketchup, because waffle fries, ketchup. Yeah. All right, time to eat. So I just got back from a workout and I'm gonna make my 5-minute couscous salad because I have no time to do anything else, okay? If you want the recipe for this, you can check out the blog post linked below, but this is the perfect thing to make when you got no time. Because I literally have no time. Okay, let's see. So I have couscous and boiling water or boiled water, and then I just kind of cover this up and then prepare everything else. For protein, I'm doing chickpeas for this one. Chickpeas goes really well with this. Gonna drain and rinse. Right. So after about 5 minutes, it should be basically all cooked. It's magic. I should have probably added the seasonings beforehand, but not thinking. So I add my chickpeas. Also gonna add some Italian seasoning. I'm just eyeballing this one, but all the measurements are below in my blog post. Some garlic powder, red wine vinegar. Mix that up. Olive oil. Okay, just gonna give this a good mix. Artichoke hearts. I just have this in my fridge. So I'm just gonna add a few of those. Wonderful. I think I normally add a little bit of sweetener and add a little bit of agave nectar. I feel like that's optional. Cucumber. Just went grocery shopping quickly. Bought some cucumber. I feel like I need some different colors in here. What is this? It tastes so good though. You know what? I don't have time. Normally I would add in maybe like bell peppers and, you know, other things, but I don't have any. So I'm just gonna add some fried shallots. Yes, my friends. That's my random lunch. It's so good. I also bought some alfalfa sprouts. I can just add some of that in here. Yay! There you go. Yummy. Okay, so like it literally looks like crap, but it's actually so good. Okay. Highly recommend. Recipe below.
So I took my mom for a facial and a pedicure for her birthday, and we decided to get some dinner nearby afterwards. We found this Vietnamese place with some vegan options, and we got some mango bubble tea, which was really good, and we also got a couple of dishes to share. One of them was actually a vegan sauté peanut noodle soup, and the other was stir-fried veggies with tofu in a curry sauce, and I just asked them to make that one vegan, which they did, and everything was really yummy. You gotta love Vietnamese food. It's cheap, it's delicious, and it's always super filling. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for my very realistic what I ate in a day. I was not planning on eating out today, but you know what? I was just going with the flow, enjoying the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna leave a link to my what I ate in a day videos playlist down below so you guys can check out all of my previous what I ate in a days, and I should have a ton at this point. And if you guys want more what I ate in a days, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!